Climate change. How humorous is the reaction of the stakeholders to the theme of climate change. They perhaps would love to see their home, city, state and country underwater, enjoying the abstinence of chilly winter and loving the company of deceitful midsummer heat. How pretty will it be to see the animals drowning in mock floods, and how adventurous it would be to watch the endless thrashing of cyclones and tsunamis in the shorelines of Orissa and Tamil. Populace is bursting at the seams like popcorns, and the human race has started to count on its fate. Global water rise is no longer a big issue for them, provided no one of their family or relative is impaired. No matter how many debris get collected, but this man will love to sleep over the smelling heaps. Trees may lessen drastically, but salary should not. Temperature of their environment may surge, but of their rooms should not. What adjective should I use to describe such a great personality? Selfish or self-loving is now a new question. Definitions are shifting now. Much like the climate. May this human race identify its mistake before it's too late.